We're here today to showcase and explain the correct method of installing an ESA system known as our Easy Spring Air, and we'll go through the steps required to get a perfect installation. The tension tool and the tension spanner are supplied as part of the kit. A tension tool that is to aid the pretensioning of the spring or a fine adjustment if required, and our Allen key, which is a required item when adding or removing pretensions to the spring. To begin the installation, insert the idler into the bracket and compress the idler pin, then attach the control side to ensure the hooks are engaged. Okay, we've now installed the blind. We are going to remove the tension lock, and this will release the spring to be able to operate. Now we can move the shade up and down to test it. If the shade stays in its desired position, the system is balanced. If the shade rises or the fabric bunches up when released, tension must be removed from the system. In this scenario where we've experienced the slight creeping of the blind, that indicates that the spring has a slight over-tension. One of the key points and features of an ESA system, it gives you the ability to either add or remove pretensions without the removal of the blind. In this case, we're going to remove some of the tension using our tension tool applied to the spring head, and by moving it anti-clockwise, we're going to remove some of the tension off the spring. This will help us align and balance the spring to the right pretension. If we were to add tension on, we would use the same tool and move the spring in a clockwise motion. We're showcasing the removal of an Easy Spring Air system if and when required to add further pretensions. We need to find the slot directly in line with the bottom of the two lugs of the spring head and apply the lock prior to removing the blind. Lock is in, and the blind is now able to be removed. Push the blind in, lift it out of its lugs, and out it comes. During an installation, there may be a time where you'll need to apply further tension. So we've removed the blind, and if you are requiring to add further pretensions, quite significant, it's important to apply the Allen key to the end of the spring prior to removing the tension lock. Once removing the tension lock, it frees the spring and it gives us the ability to apply the tensions required to make the blind operate correctly. I've removed the clip and I'm holding the tension. As you can see, there is tension in the spring. Clockwise for adding tension, anti-clockwise for removing tension. Once you've reached this point, it is important to reapply the tension lock to hold the tensions applied. The lock is now in, Allen key comes out, tension holds. You can now test the shade again by moving it up and down. If the shade now stays in place, your Easy Spring Air system is balanced and operational.